Today I'm sharing a quick clean, tidy, and organized to refresh some things around our home. In the last video I shared how I gave our entryway a refresh, and I'll leave that link down below in case you guys missed it. One of my favorite things to place around our home is flowers, whether they're real or faux, especially for the summer, and Home Goods has some really nice ones that in fact look real. I snagged this gold vase from Home Goods for only $16.99. Pop of gold is perfectly with my DIY agate wall art I made. This narrow space on this wall is not the easiest to decorate because of the wall switches. This frame fits perfectly, and they were only $29 for a set of 4 at Home Goods. This project is so easy to create. I purchased a set of agate on Amazon, and I love the gold rim. It matches the frame perfectly. It's flat, so when I glue it to the glass, it will not bulge out from the back. You can also use a shadow box for the illusion of depth and interest. I came across the find of the year, you guys, at Aldi's of all places, that stopped me in my tracks. This set of mint green pots and pan with gold ranges from $12.99 to $14.99 each. I know, right? Go run to your Aldi's. I got the saucepan, the 11-inch fry pan, the saute pan, and what an awesome buy, you guys. Go to your Aldi's right now. They have the mint green that you see here, and they have ivory with stainless steel handles. Such a pretty and soft color. They are non-stick, easy to clean, and if you don't have a Rev-A-Shelf pull-out drawer to keep you organized, you are missing out. I had mine for years, as you guys may know, and I promise you it will save your back. I was doing a little experimenting and added this battery operated light that's from the Dollar Tree, and it comes with sticky Velcro. Just peel and stick it to the upper portion interior of your cabinet. What a difference having lighting inside your cabinet. I love it so much. I'm going to upgrade to motion sensor lights. This refresh is 100% approved. Let me know what you think down below. Although we haven't had too many guests this year, I still have to stay on top of my dusting, and I love my mirrored pieces so much, but they are not fun to clean at all. But I do enjoy using my glass and mirror cleaner by the laundress. Okay, so it's high end, but you guys know I'm extra, and I love how it smells. I don't use it like all over the house, just in our guest bedrooms because they're special. The vinegar gets out any stagnant odors that are lingering. I'm giving the mirror a quick dusting. This and the nightstands are both from City Furniture. The bed is by Bernhardt and the comforter is by Neiman Marcus, and I've had it over 8 years. It's the most popular question I get on all my platforms is the duvet cover, and I'll leave a link down below for the wall panels, and the chairs at the foot of the bed is from Rooms to Go. Gave our tea and coffee drawer a little attention by adding keepsake boxes and office organizers to organize our teas and pods, and I added lights so when you open the drawer the lights are on. This long narrow box has my stainless steel straws and my iced teaspoons. I keep these separate from our everyday spoons. This smaller box has mini teaspoons and it fits inside this box perfectly, and both are from Amazon. Another long narrow box has our favorite current teas: ginger tea with peach, black fruit peach, and chamomile, vanilla, and honey. Really good. This box has more of my favorite teas. I usually get our teas from either Home Goods or Whole Foods. These tea rests are so adorable, and I'm more of a tea drinker than my hubby, so these are mine and they are from And That. Why not use office organizers too? I really need a few more of this set that I got from Hobby Lobby. I keep unopened bag coffee, then when I need a bag, I'll just transfer it into a tight sealed jar. A large one for the hot cocoa pods with these mini marshmallows. How cute are these? And more coffee pods. A few snacks to have with our tea or coffee. Espresso mugs and pots are in another gold case, and you can get them all from Amazon. Just be sure to measure your drawer first. Hope this has motivated you guys to clean and organize your home. It is truly a luxury in itself. Stay safe, my darlings, and I want to thank you all for watching.